Hello guys, here are some interesting facts about the Amazon rainforest. The Amazon is the world's largest tropical rainforest. It's located in South America, spanning across 9 countries: Brazil, Bolivia, Colombia, Ecuador, French Guiana, Peru, Suriname, and Venezuela. The rainforest covers over 5.5 million square kilometers, 2.1 million square miles. The Amazon is home to 10% of all known plant and animal species, including thousands of birds, mammals, reptiles, and insects. As an ecosystem, over 3 million species live in the rainforest, and over 2,500 tree species help to create and sustain this vibrant ecosystem. The Amazon produces 20% of the world's oxygen, making it a vital component of the Earth's ecosystem, and also absorbs and stores massive amounts of carbon dioxide, helping to regulate the Earth's climate. The Amazon jungle has been home to indigenous communities for thousands of years, with over 400 distinct ethnic groups living in the region. Amazon River is a freshwater drainage system flowing 4,000 miles from the Andes Mountains to the Atlantic coast of Brazil. It's the second longest river in the world, but also the longest and largest in terms of volume and flow. Many modern medicines have been developed from plants found in the Amazon, including those used to treat malaria, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. The rainforest's pharmaceutical gifts are legion, including the antimalarial drug quinine, the muscle relaxant Curar, and the stimulant cocaine, among others. Westerners eager to explore them further don't always take tribal interests into account. The Amazon plays a critical role in shaping global weather patterns, with its rainfall and evaporation influencing climate conditions worldwide. The Amazon rainforest is characterized by rain, heat, and more rain and heat, providing the perfect environment for plants and wildlife. The Amazon is always humid with generous amounts of rain occurring year-round. Amazon's roots and vegetation help maintain soil quality, preventing erosion and landslides. The land of the Amazon rainforest is naturally nutrient deficient because most of the nutrients are stored within the above-ground biomass of the vegetation. Tree root systems hold the soil together to slow the rate of flooding and reduce erosion. Wait, there's something more. 1. Amazon is the home to over 1,300 species of butterflies, which is about 1/5 of all butterfly species found worldwide. 2. It has been home to ancient civilizations, such as the Inca and the Tupac Amaru, who left behind a rich cultural heritage. 3. Amazon is the home to the pink river dolphin, which is found nowhere else in the world. 4. The Amazon River meets the dark waters of the Rio Negro, creating a striking visual effect known as the meeting of the waters. The Amazon, the world's largest tropical rainforest, is facing unprecedented threats to its survival. Deforestation, fueled by illegal land clearances for agriculture, mining, and logging, is accelerating at an alarming rate. The 2020 fire season saw a record number of wildfires ravage the Amazon, with Brazil, Bolivia, and Peru being the hardest hit. Climate change is also taking a devastating toll, as rising temperatures and changing rainfall patterns disrupt the delicate ecosystem. The COVID-19 pandemic has further exacerbated the situation, as illegal activities surge amidst the crisis. Scientists warn that the Amazon is perilously close to reaching a point of no return, beyond which its destruction could become irreversible. The consequences would be catastrophic, with far-reaching impacts on global biodiversity, climate regulation, and indigenous communities. Urgent action is needed to protect the Amazon and preserve its vital role in sustaining our planet. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. See you in the next one.